In this video, I will explain how to use the iron worker. The iron worker is a machine capable of shearing, punching, and cutting out sheet metal in various ways. It has a capacity from 1/8 of an inch up to about 1/2 an inch. To start, the machine has 3 sections. This section here is called a nibbler. It's used to cut out sheet metal. It's freehand, and it just cuts out a small piece. This section here is a shear. It's used to cut metal in straight lines. And then back here is a punch, and that's used to cut sheet metal in round sections. To use the machine, we have to turn it on first. So the control panel here, we'll turn it on with this green button, and now it's ready to use. To make a cut, I have my piece marked out with a line that I'd like to cut. So I can just line it up. We can see kind of an outline of where the shear is going to cut. So I can line my piece up. And I can kind of jog the machine a little bit as I'm cutting, just to make sure it's going to be in the right place. When I'm ready, I can just hold the pedal down and make the cut. Just like that. I'll make another cut just to finish it up and get the right shape. And that's it. So I've now cut out this ear shape on the side of the piece. Some notes of safety for this section of the machine. Obviously it's open, so don't put your finger in there. It's a hydraulic machine that has a lot of power, so just be very careful when you're using it. Your hands should always be outside of this orange guarded section. And then of course when you're finished, use the red button to turn the machine off. For the shear section, I have my metal again marked out with a line, and this can only cut straight lines. So to use it, I'll slide it under this orange guard here. And we have to put it in pretty far until it lines up with the line. Now it's hard to see in here, so it's helpful to have some light. I have a little flashlight on me that I can use to see. But we can kind of see inside once we're up close. And there's a line that it's going to cut on. Again, we'll have to turn on the machine. We can grab the foot pedal so that we can actually actuate it. And with this, we can cut. Now to line up the piece, I'll just jog the machine down so I can see the blade moving. And I want to line up the cut with the line. Just right there, looks pretty good to me. Now I'll use this black knob to move this whole orange clamp down to hold the piece. And now I'll just press the pedal. Just like that, it made the cut. So I'll let off the pedal, it'll release. We can turn the machine off, unclamp it. And there we have it. It's sheared off on a nice straight line. And this section is the punch section. If I move this guard out of the way, this piece right here is the punch. We have several different sizes, so you can just ask an employee for the right size that you're using, and we can install that for you. When you're actually using it, this guard has to be in place. The machine won't work if it's not. So now we're ready to go. Again, I can turn the machine on, line my piece up. Again, I can step on the pedal a little bit just to jog the punch down a little bit until it's right above the part. I can line it up, and once it's lined up, I can just push the pedal, just like that. And now we have a nice hole, and that's it. You can just turn the machine off, and we're done. And with that, that's how to use the iron worker.